A drone crash on a Netflix set causes serious disfigurement to an actor's face. This is not a good story for Netflix, but it got me thinking in general about the risk factor associated with drones. It's not the first time we've heard it. And then also, what the hell is the settlement when you're an actor that will look different all from that day forward because you have been rearranged by a drone blade?
Ugh.
Like, what is that settlement? A high-profile Taiwanese actor was badly injured during a Netflix shoot recently when a camera drone collided with his face. Kai Ko suffered what his manager described as serious disfigurement, with his injuries requiring as many as 30 stitches to close to his cheekbone. It sounds like my broken nose, sort of. I've been disfigured. It wasn't a drone responsible in my case. The accident occurred on December 27th, but has only been recently reported. It took place during the making of a Mandarin language fantasy series called Agent from Above. The show's producers told Variety the crew has restarted work, but Ko has not yet returned to the set. Well, now he has a gash on his face. How do you work that into the storyline? He's got stitches over there.
You work it in the storyline.
Wouldn't you have to? Like, let's say it's a main character. You can't just, like, what are you going to do? Makeup? Like, I don't know to what extent the injury is, Will.
Yeah, we need to see.
You got to work it in a storyline. That's like when an actress gets pregnant for a TV show, and they have to work it into the storyline, dude. Come on, you watch this stuff happen. But it does get me thinking, all right, this is your money maker. You're making money with your face. He's probably a good-looking person.
The main character, too.
Probably a good-looking person over here. And then the drone hits, and now you look quite a bit different. And you're saying, hey, give me some cash because I can't get these jobs anymore.
And also the movie has to slow down in production.
Everything it is these insurance policies are, we get a little taste of it sometimes with some videos that we've produced, but not to this extent. You got to have those heavy insurance packs for these type of things. And I mean, I hope they can get it sorted out, but it really makes you question some of these. And it's movie making, right? There's risks involved. I'm watching The Maverick and they got the real jets over there. Like, things can happen, no doubt. But at the same time, and you heard about, you remember the one on the movie set in Arizona or whatever with Baldwin and the loaded gun? At a certain point, you got to question some of the tactics when you got the injuries associated and so forth. You could have the really sick shot, but does it have to be that close to his face? And you're going to be doing the math on this because these things are going to get expensive. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.